morning from rainy day at home. So this morning I woke up and I was in one of those I want to get stuff done mood. So trash can being put back. So woke up, first thing we did was one of the neighbor's dogs was barking at a squirrel. One of the first things we did was take trash off to the dump, and we took like 2 weeks worth because we gotten a little behind, and we also took off some appliances that have been sitting here since forever. So those are taken off, and then I spent 4 hours sitting down at home filling out our passport applications, and I'm super excited about that. But yeah, our passport applications are filled out and mostly ready to go. Adopted daughters is a little more complicated. Mine was second complicated reasons. So passport forms are done. We have a date in 2 weeks to go submit them, get the picture taken, and then we'll have a possibly 6-week wait to get our passport books back, and then we'll be ready to travel internationally for the first time ever, and I'm so excited about it. But yeah, we're working on getting passport books. No, we don't need passport books for Michigan. We need it for something else, but I'm not really ready to share everything yet. But yeah, that's where we are, is like cleaning at home day. Took probably hour and a half, 2 hours to get the broken down dishwasher. We replaced our dishwasher back in March of this year, last year. It's been a year. They wouldn't take the old one, and then we just forever didn't have anywhere to take it. Well, now there's a person at there's a place at our dump to take metal that you just want gone, any size metal. So we took everything, car parts that we couldn't recycle, the dishwasher, 2 mowers that literally worked for like 1 or 2 summers and then gave out for no apparent reason at all. So those are gone. But it took a while to get, you know, big things loaded up, 2 weeks worth of trash loaded up, and then we're also working on cleaning the house out. So dishwasher ran, kids are rotating showers, traffic is loud, and I'm just trying to take some time right now and get carport swept out, and then I'm gonna work on some inside stuff because I just feel the urge to get stuff done today, because there's a lot of steps for this trip to Michigan. It's not just, you know, going to Michigan. It's not just visiting another state for us. There's a lot for this trip, and it's a huge road trip for us. So I'm trying to get as much done ahead of time as I can. Our dog sitter is coming back over to get reacquainted with our dog ahead of time, and that's something she does, is she comes over once a week and once every other week leading up to the trip to get to know him, and she doesn't include that in her cost. We just all kind of hang out together, have dinner together. We provide dinner for her. And this may be one of the last vlogs that you'll see on this camera. So one of the common things about a Canon G7X is the lens gets dust in it, usually about after 18 months. Sorry, allergies of sweeping leaves everywhere. The lens gets dust inside of it, and after about 18 months there's no way to clean it. It happens to all of them. We've had this one since our last trip to Michigan, so 6 years. So the cool thing is we're getting another one that has a windsock on it, so where you're probably hearing wind right now, the new one won't have that. But wind's blowing, so I'm gonna get these leaves swept back out of here and try to get it out of here, and then we'll see what we're doing inside where it's not raining and windy.